All right, YouTube, so the time has come. I'm going to do a door/distance test on my new setup here. So for those of you that are just joining me in this test, I'm going to be doing a distance test with just my doors and pillars. I'm going to turn my entire substage off. So I'm going to be running one 8-inch and two 6.5-inch mid-ranges by door. And then also I got two super tweeters up in the A-pillars on each side here. So gonna go ahead and get a track going here and see how she sounds. So here we go. Wow, that is loud. I do got a noisy street that I'm walking next to here, so it's kind of muffling the sound a little bit. But oh my gosh. I'm still going. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is easily well over a football field. I'd say about 1.5 football fields. And again, I got a noisy road right next to me, so it's watering it out a little bit. And that is it. Can't go back any further. Woo! That sounds amazing. It is so clear and crisp. I'm gonna do a little jogging, okay? Let me get my cardio in so I can kind of get back there a little quicker. So here we go. Sorry for the shaky video here, but I guess I could have just pressed fast forward. Whew, okay. That's the way now. That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. I just had to add a little bit of that bass at the end just to play around a bit, but oh my gosh, the distance test was phenomenal. I just can't believe how far and how clear it is at that distance. So I am so happy with this setup. DS18, we like it loud. I totally get it now. Man, if you like this video and want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Let's get loud, people.